Welcome everyone! In this video, I will teach you how to use skill to put a bomb and make the bomb apply damage to the object. First, we need to create a bomb prefab. Let's switch to the prefab library and create an empty model. Then, choose a model asset as the main object model. Here, I will use Dodoko Rucksack as my bomb. Set a name for the bomb and save it. Now, we have the bomb prefab prepared. Let's switch to Combat preset. We are going to create a skill that can be used to place the bomb. Let's click the Adding New Skill button and give the skill a name. You can give the skill any icon that you like. Then, go to the Animations editor. We can customize our skill animation and also set VFX effect for it in here. I will use Investigate Precast and Postcast animation on this skill. Then let's add a VFX effect to the skill. Right-click at the status track and choose VFX playing. You can use any VFX effect that you like. I will use yellow effect.
Thousand years later.
Now, we need to create a node graph for the skill, but before that, remember to save the changes you made to the skill. Let's switch to the Resource Explorer window. Click the option called Window at the top left side. You can find Client Mode Graph Resource Explorer option there. We can find the skill node graph here. Click the skill node graph, create a new folder, and then create a new node graph in there. Okay, now let's create a signal node. This node is used to send signal to the server node graph. Then, click the signal name to create a new signal. After that, go to the Miliastra sandbox. Go to Custom Class to set the skill onto the player. Then, go to Player Template. We are going to set a custom attachment point. This attachment point is where the bomb will be placed. Go to the Edit Character tab and find the Custom Attachment Point editor. Add a new attachment point. Set its position a bit forward. Then set a name. Let's return to the skill node graph. Click the signal name. Add a new parameter to the signal. Set the data type as 3D vector. We will use this to send the attachment point location created earlier to the server node graph. Create a node to get the target attachment point location. Make sure to link the attachment location to the bomb location. Let's go back to the sandbox to copy the attachment point name. Paste it into the node. Link the target entity to get self-entity node. Before adding the skill node graph to the skill we created, we need to create a node graph that will create a bomb. Let's go to Server Node Graph, Resource Explorer. Go to Class Node Graph and create a folder. Creates a new node graph. In order to get information from the client node graph, we need to create a monitor signal node. Set the signal name the same as the signal we created in the skill node graph. Then, link the node to create prefab node. Set the rotate values to 0 and overwrite level to no. Let's copy the prefab ID of the bomb. Then paste it inside of the Create Prefab node. Now, return to the Skill Animation Editor and add the skill node graph. Let's place it in between of the precast and postcast animation. Remember to save the changes. Now, go to the player editor and find character node graph. Add the class node graph created earlier to the character node graph. Now, we can test the game to see the result. It is a success! Some of you might be wondering why the bomb does not explode. Don't worry, we are going to do that next. Let's go back to Prefab Library to modify the bomb prefab. Switch to the Battle Editor in the bomb prefab. Click the Ability Unit Advanced Editing and add a new ability. choose a hitbox shape. I will use sphere shape. Set the radius to 5 if you are using sphere. Then, add on-hit scene effects to it. You can choose any effect that you prefer. Next, find and click the Add Common Component button. Choose On-Hit Detection. Go to Advanced Editing. Choose Single Trigger as the trigger type. Set 5 seconds to detection delay time. Switch to On-Hit Area. Set the trigger area shape and radius, the same as the one we set in the hitbox earlier. Always remember to save the changes you made. Now, let's go back to the Resource Explorer. Go to the Entity Node graph located in the Server Node Graph Resource Explorer. Create a folder and a node graph for the bomb timer. This node graph will be used to start the bomb timer until it is exploded. Create an event node called When Entity is Created. Then link it to Start Timer node. This means that when the bomb is created, the timer will start counting immediately. Set the loop to no and give the timer any name that you like. Link the timer sequence to assembly list node. Set the number to 5.5. Then, create a When Timer is Triggered node. Start Timer node and this node has to be created together. Link the target entity of Start Timer to Get Self Entity node. We want the bomb to be destroyed immediately after the explosion. Therefore, we should create a Destroy Entity node and link it to When the Timer is Triggered node. Link the target entity to Self Entity as well. Now, add this node graph we created just now to the bomb prefab. Oh, before the game testing, let's return to the bomb prefab ability unit. We want to modify the attack parameters in it. Set the damage coefficient to 1. I am going to set the damage increment to 2500. Make Pyro as its elemental type. Now, we can save the prefab and test the game. something is missing. Don't worry, let's return to the sandbox and check what are we missing. Oh, turn out we forgot to add the ability unit into the on-hit detection. Let's add the ability unit created earlier and save it. Now, it should work fine. Let's test the game again.
Nice.
Okay, perfect. Now, let's create an object that can be destroyed by the bomb. Create an empty model again in prefab library. You can choose anything as your main object model. I will use wooden box. You can adjust the size according to your liking, then save your prefab after. Go to the basic battle attributes to turn the invincible option off, so that the object can be destroyed by the bomb. Find and click the faction button. Then, add a new faction for the bomb. Turn all of the first half faction relations to friendly. Keep the second half to be hostile. Let's give the object an initial object faction. Then give the bomb the new faction we created previously. Okay, so now let's go to the battle settings. Go to hurtbox settings. Add a hurtbox and choose a trigger area shape. I will use cuboid shape. Save the changes. Now, go to battle settings to set the VFX effect to the object when it gets destroyed by the bomb. For testing purpose, put the object we created previously around the map. Now, let's check the result. Yay! It's a success! I hope this video could help you. If you could, please help me reach craftsperson level 3. Stage GUID, Asia server. 7,729,465,112. Thank you for watching.